What's up, everybody? It's your boy Walking Mandu, and if you're seeing me, you know you're watching Wrenchtrenchers Garage. Well, today marks the 2-year anniversary of my Ryobi Weed Eater video, which that thing has gotten 27,000 views. Amazing. Well, I got Foster over here helping me out today, again in the spirit of our 2-year anniversary of buying my Ryobi Weed Eater. I use it once every season. You know what, I don't store it properly or nothing, but we're gonna see how this thing works after 2 years. I've been getting a lot of comments just over this past week. Then it dawned on me that, wait a minute, it's spring. So people are out doing their yards and buying yard equipment, and there's a lot of people home because of the current situation, so people are working on their yards. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how my purchase ended up treating me after 2 years. So you guys stay tuned. You're gonna go on the headgear, and we're gonna go from there. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna go and crack this bad boy open. So here we are inside here, and there it is, my Ryobi Weed Eater. Hadn't been out of this bad boy for a while, so let's go ahead and take this thing out of here and set it down. So that's it. So we're gonna need to go ahead and throw some fuel in this thing, and as you can see, I hadn't really cleaned it. It's a little dirty. Haven't cleaned it or anything really. I just kind of use it and throw it in there. So we're gonna see if this bad boy's gonna start. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this thing up. Maybe a little too full. It's okay. We have to press this thing 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One more for good measure. Alright guys, so the whole reason why I'm decided to make this video is because of the comments that I've been getting. Basically about it's only people have purchased this weed eater, and it's only been lasting them like a year. And then I've had some other folks come on and say it's working fine for them. So, you know, it's mixed reviews. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the review that I have for mine. That's all I can, that's the only perspective I get. I'm not by any way promoting Ryobi. I'm not promoting any of that stuff. The only thing I'm doing is showing you guys how it's been working for me in this past like 2 years. Last year it worked fine, and this year, as you see, I just pulled it right out of the shed. Haven't used it since, I don't know, August. Haven't used it since August, and we're gonna see how it held up. So we're gonna see what happens. We're just gonna follow the directions and see if it starts and runs. If it starts and runs, then cool. We get to go ahead and do some stuff on the yard. And don't forget, I'm gonna have to use my headphones too because this thing's loud. So let's go for it. All right. So per the instructions, you have to set this thing to full choke right here. So once you set that thing to full choke, go ahead and put the grip at full throttle here and here, and give this thing 3 to 4 rips and until it attempts to start. 1, 2. That's your attempt to start right there. So what you do is you go to half choke after that, and you give it another rip, and you see I'm putting my hand on the trigger and going full throttle on the trigger on the full choke and on the half choke. But when it attempts to run and it starts spinning, I'll go ahead and let it go. Let it go ahead and warm up a little bit, and then go straight to run. So let's see how this goes. Oh wow, there you go. Half choke is working just fine. Giving it a few minutes. And slowly work it back to the run position. And look at that, guys. Still making the same noises. guys, so there you go. That's the Ryobi weed eater, and basically it's running exactly the same way it did 2 years ago. I don't feel any loss of power. I just follow the instructions to start it, and then I go. I don't go around these edges where the woods are though. I just go ahead and run those down. I mean, if I have to, I will, but for the most part, I don't worry about that because all of that is pretty much unusable space. I was over there a little earlier. Then around back here, this is along the shop. This is along the ridge. Now this tree line I don't really worry about, I just ride it down with the lawnmower. Now this is the wood pile that you saw earlier. Now that's this little grass piece that's sticking up here. That's not a testament to how crappy the weed eater is. That's my skills suck. But yeah, they got all back here. You can see all this. And then I used the small lawnmower just to get back there. I don't need the weed eater for that. Now if I wanted to sit here and edge out the driveway, I'm pretty sure I could, but there's no need to do that now because I have plans to get the driveway redone. So that's around the mailbox and around that little bush that for some reason my wife loves that little bush more than anything in the world, and if I mess around and cut it down, she's gonna punch me right in the face. And whatever I can't get with the little lawnmower or with my riding lawnmower, I'll just come back and hit it. But I just wanted to give you guys this demonstration before I got all worn out today. But yeah, but around this guy, around that guy, our little flower bed that, oh boy, that flower bed needs a lot of work. We'll get to that maybe we'll start another channel, Wrench Trench Home Edition, and then we'll start doing things like that. So not too bad. It still did its job. I didn't have any loss of power. My only problem is my skills suck. But other than that, the dang on thing works pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. And if you guys like what I'm doing here, I do have a Zazzle store. Go ahead and check it out. You might like the merch there. And go ahead and leave a like if you like what I'm doing. If you don't like what I'm doing, you can leave a dislike, but go ahead and let me know why. And I'm stealing that from Adam from Atomic Garage. Go watch his channel. It's great too. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. So you guys can keep wrenching, or keep weed whacking, or keep cutting your grass. Keep doing whatever you want to do. But whatever you do, stay safe and wash your hands. All right, guys, take it easy. Wrench Trench out. Peace.